Hello everyone! Start off by taking a black marker and then draw the shape of a bee. Then add little eyes to it and fill it in as you please. After this, draw on the hands and the legs as well, as though it were hugging something. Then draw a little bamboo shoot to it, add little leaves all around to make it look all the more realistic, and once you are done, fill it in the color green and black for the panda accordingly. Next, take a stencil and then draw a circular shape. Underneath it, draw a D shape. Then add a little tail and then add wings on either side of it. Draw a little beak and then draw the eyes of the bird at the top. Then add the little legs to it as well. Take a yellow marker and then color your bird in using this yellow marker. Next, start off by drawing a circle using a stencil. Underneath it, draw the numbers 6 and 1. Then draw the ears on either side of your monkey's head. Then add a little cute face to it and then connect the hands to the legs at the back. Then after this, draw a little tail to it. Then use a brown marker to color it in. Now we will start off by taking a marker and drawing the number 3. Now connect the second bulb of the 3 as such and then add little fins to the bottom of it. Add a little tail at the back and then add eyes to the front portion of it. Then after this, add a cute little smiley face, draw lines for the belly and then draw a W shape at the top. Connect it to the top as well and then color your turtle in as you please. We have chosen to color the shell in green. Now start off by drawing this ovular shape, draw cute little ears at the top and then draw eyes and then add a cute little nose connected to the face at the bottom. Add little dots and then add the whiskers beside these dots. Now proceed on to draw the mane of this lion and then afterwards add little feet to it and then add a little tail at the back as well as the body. Once you are done with this, you may color it in any color that you please. Next, take your stencil and then add a circular shape. Underneath it, add this S shape in order to make the body of the seahorse. Add another layer to it and then make it into the belly. As for the top circle, add eyes to it and then add the mouth. Then afterwards, add multiple lines to the back of it and connect each of these lines together. At the top of your seahorse, you may add little bubbles all around to show that it is underwater. Next, draw this ovular shape and then add little arms and legs to it as such. Draw little circles to signify the legs. After this, draw cute little bunny ears to it. Now draw cute little googly eyes and afterwards draw hair all around the body. Once you are done with this, add layers to the eyes by leaving 2 circles uncolored. Add the cute little mouth and then use pink in order to color the blush as well as the ears of this bunny. Next, we will start off by almost drawing the number 6. However, just when you're completing it, make it look like the nose of a little pig. Now add the eyes and then add blush and then add a little smiley face. At the bottom, proceed to draw the body of this little pig. We will be drawing Peppa Pig. Thank you for watching.